Are you a local business owner? Have you seen the headlines and worry about where things are going? Have you tried different things to improve your business but nothing has worked? All you want is more customers and more sales. You just want the phone to ring, right? I know just how you feel. Every local business owner I meet feels the same way, and they've heard it all before. Been there, done that. Paid a fortune for Yellow Pages, burnt their money on local advertising and sent thousands of postcards to not get a single customer. The problem with all these methods is that they are random. They rely on chance. The chance that your customer will stop their busy lives to even consider your offer. The chance they'll remember you days or weeks later. So let me ask you a question. Leaving your business to chance, how's that working out for you? Wouldn't it be great if you could present your offer at the exact moment someone needed it? For example, a restaurant coupon when they were hungry, a plumber phone number when their bathroom flooded, a lovely bouquet when it was time to say I love you. Not only perfect timing, but every time someone searches for your business, their friends recommend you. Well, it gets even better. How about entire circles of friends recommending your business? Now, what if I told you the best part? Google created this method. So if your business implements it, Google will love you and make sure your business gets in front of your customers. You see, it's all about timing and positioning. You want your business in front of your customer at the moment when they need it. The exact moment they're looking, ready to call and ready to buy. There are hundreds of customers searching for your business every month right now. The question is, will they call you or your competitor? Contact us today. Your customers are waiting.